What's up, mother truckers? Guess what? Believe it or not, I have never had a famous bowl. I know. Yes, they are famous. I must be somebody hiding under a rock to have never had a famous bowl. So today I went and got a famous bowl from Kentucky Fried Chicken. That looks famous. I can see why this is famous. You're probably wondering, or saying to yourself, hey, that was a soft taco from Taco Bell. Guess what? You can sometimes find Taco Bells and Kentucky Fried Chickens. They're in the same building. Go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Famous bowl. I recommend throwing a soft taco on top. It'll make it even more famous.